Papanoorin natin ang preliminary swimsuit performance ni Adela Mae Marshall representing Muntinlupa for Miss Universe Philippines 2026.
Let's go!
Very kalma lang. Like, ganda ko, ganyan.
Yeah.
Ganda ko walk.
Strong, striking, self-assured.
Tamang-tama yung ano.
Yung description.
Marshall.
Ganda. Kung i-compare mo siya sa mga ibang queens, hindi siya ganong katangkaran. But then again, yung kanyang body naman is very proportionate, magandang tignan, and she reminds me then of Maureen na sobrang galing magsalita, sobrang ganda, and meron din talaga silang pagkakalagyan sa sa
Bote ba ito?
pageantry.
Ako, I love her performance din sa swimsuit kasi wala na akong masasabi sa body kasi halos lahat sila maganda yung katawan. So, it's just a matter of kung sino yung nag-present ng mas maganda or
With
mas
confidence.
Ang gusto ko sa kanya is merong variation between yung smirking and to a full smile na parang it shows the attitude and yun nga, contentment.
And the grit.
Oo.
So yun guys, and don't forget to visit the Maya app if you think na deserve niya ang spots sa finals and you can also claim your 1 free votes every day.